Hello everyone, this is Dr. Fisher, and we've been building this advantages and disadvantages PowerPoint. We built it in the last section, and so here we go again in section 2, or the next section I should say, of the course, and we're going to continue. This time we're going to talk about changing views. And so we have our PowerPoint open again. Remember, this is the one we've been working on. We only have 3 slides here. And so we're going to go down in the bottom right hand corner. Let's look at the different views that are found here. Notice the reading view if I hold my cursor over it. And remember last time you learned about the slideshow. But the reading view, if we click on it, notice the reading view looks similar to the slideshow view. But it's only designed for you as the user when you are preparing your presentation. You shouldn't necessarily present it in this way. And to come out of this reading view, if you click Escape on your keyboard, that takes us out of the reading view. There's also the slide sorter view. So we're going to click on that one. And so basically in this view it allows us to rearrange the slides, especially if we had several different slides. So if I wanted disadvantages to be slide 2 instead of slide 3, I can click, hold, drag it over, and notice what happens. And then if I said no, I really want it to be 3, I can move it back over. And you can do that with any number of slides that you have here. And then there's the normal view. If we click on it, obviously this is the view that we are defaulted to every time we open up this particular presentation, or every time you open up PowerPoint, it will default to the normal view. There are other views. Click on your View tab. So notice we've already covered normal. There's the outline view. So if you click on that, that's the outline view. You'll know in this navigation pane on the left hand side, you'll know what slide you're on based on, notice that it's kind of shaded there on slide 3. If we click here, it's also shaded, or if we click on slide 1, you can see that in your screen as well over here. We talked about the slide sorter. This is the same thing. Let's talk about the notes page. You click on that one. If we had notes, and we will cover notes, it's coming up soon. If we had some notes, they would appear here, and we could print these out either for ourselves or for the participants who are watching the presentation. We looked at the reading view. There's the slide master view. Again, this is when you're working on your presentation. What I love about the slide master view is I can, for example, if I click on this next slide, I can highlight this text here and change the text to whatever color I want it to be, or change the font. And what's brilliant about PowerPoint is that it will do this for every slide that is in my presentation. So I don't have to go to each slide and change the font size, the font color, and all of that. I can do it right here under the Slide Master. I can also add dates. I can add information down here in the footer. I can add numbers, slide numbers. It's pretty cool. I love the Slide Master. Other things you can do here in the Slide Master is you can even rename the layout. Like if I click on rename right there, this layout, which is called the title and content, I can rename it if I wanted to. I'm going to cancel that. And so I'm going to close the Slide Master, and it takes us back to the notes view, and then I'm going to click on view. And so basically those are the different views here. Normally I like to stay in the normal view, so let's click back on the normal view. And so that's how you move around and change the different views. It depends on what you're trying to do, what you're trying to accomplish as you build your presentation in PowerPoint.